A recession can be a nerve-wracking time, but with preparation and smart strategies, you can navigate the economic downturn and even emerge stronger. Here are 15 rules to live by during a recession. Welcome to the growth mindset. 1. Build an emergency fund. Unexpected things happen during a recession, like job cuts or any kinds of trouble. But with a pile of savings set aside, you're not stuck scrambling for cash. You can use that emergency fund to weather the storm until things pick up again. It's like having a financial raincoat to keep you dry on a tough economic day. 2. Review your budget. When things get tough economically, you might see prices rise or your income shrink. By taking a close look at your spending and finding areas to cut back, you'll have a financial buffer to weather the storm. It's like knowing exactly what's in your pantry, so you can make smart meals during a power outage. 3. Reduce debt. Reducing debt might seem like a good idea all the time, but during a recession, it's not always the best first move. Imagine everyone's trying to tighten their belts at the same time. Businesses cut back on hiring, people spend less, and the whole economy slows down. While getting financially healthy is important, during a recession, focusing too much on paying off debt can actually slow things down more. 4. Diversify investments. Imagine you put all your eggs in one basket, then you trip. Ouch. Diversifying investments is like having multiple baskets for your eggs. During a recession, some investments might take a tumble, like stocks. But if you also have eggs in other baskets, like bonds or real estate, they might hold steady or even grow. This way, you avoid putting all your hopes on one thing that could lose value in a downturn. It's like having a financial safety net. Even if one area dips, the others can help you ride out the rough patch. 5. Stay informed. The more you know about what's going on in the economy, job markets, interest rates, that kind of stuff, the better prepared you are. You can spot warning signs early, make adjustments to your spending or investments, and avoid getting caught off guard by the downpour. It's not about predicting the exact timing, but about having an umbrella ready for when it rains. 6. Network and upskill. Networking helps you stay connected with people in your field. If jobs get cut, having a strong network can open doors to new opportunities through recommendations or simply hearing about openings before anyone else. Upskilling is about learning new things that make you more valuable. It could be a new software program, a different language, or even just brushing up on your existing skills. The idea is to be the most qualified person in the room, so even if there are fewer jobs, you're the one they want to hire. 7. Be indispensable. Be indispensable means you are making yourself super valuable to your company with unique skills or irreplaceable knowledge. You become the one they can't afford to lose. During a recession, it's all about being seen as essential, not easily replaced. Makes sense, right? 8. Consider side hustles. You might be worried about your main job or know someone who got laid off. That's why consider side hustles becomes a kind of money mantra. By finding something you can do on the side, you create a safety net or a little extra cash cushion. It's like having a secret weapon in your financial arsenal to help weather the storm. 9. Negotiate wisely. During a recession, everyone's feeling the pinch, you and the person you're negotiating with. That's why negotiate wisely becomes your golden rule. You gotta be prepared, know what you're worth, but also understand that the other side might have their backs against the wall too. By being strategic and focusing on what benefits both of you, you can walk away with a deal that works even when times are tough. 10. Embrace frugal living. By having a budget, finding cheaper ways to entertain yourself, and cutting back on unnecessary expenses, you'll have a buffer zone. That way, if things get tough financially, you won't be caught off guard. It's like building a financial fortress to weather the storm. 11. Explore free activities. It's a smart way to cope. Recessions can mean tighter wallets, so looking for free fun makes sense. You become an expert at finding awesome things to do without spending a dime. From hiking trails to free museum days, there's a whole world of entertainment out there waiting to be explored. 12. Cook more at home. Let's face it, eating out can get pricey, especially when money gets tight. Eating in lets you control portions, avoid restaurant markups, and maybe even get creative with leftovers. Plus, there's something satisfying about whipping up a delicious meal yourself. 13. Prioritize mental health. Taking care of your mind during a recession is important, By prioritizing mental health, you're building resilience. You'll be better equipped to handle the stress, make clear decisions, and bounce back faster when things turn around. Think of it as mental armor for tough economic times. 14. Seek help if needed. Recessions can be stressful, financially and emotionally. Just like when you're sick, it's okay to ask for help. Whether it's talking to a financial advisor about your budget, reaching out to friends and family for emotional support, or even utilizing government programs, there are resources available. Don't be afraid to ask. It shows strength, not weakness. 15. Stay positive. It's not about ignoring problems. It's about keeping your chin up and making smart choices. A positive attitude can help you stay focused on what you can control, like your budget or job search. It's like having an umbrella on a rainy day. It won't stop the storm, but it'll help you weather it. Self-improvement is a lifelong journey, and every step you take brings you closer to becoming the best version of yourself. We hope you found our tips helpful and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. We'd also love to hear your thoughts and feedback in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content and helpful tips on personal growth and development. We release new videos every day, so be sure to hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.